Got a credit card and want to use it online, but not sure if the site is safe? Let's walk through some ways to check. First, always look for the padlock icon in the website address bar and make sure the address starts with HTTPS. The S stands for secure, meaning your connection is encrypted. Next, find and read the website's privacy policy. It should clearly explain how they collect, use, and protect your personal and financial information. Check online reviews of the website or company on trusted third-party review sites. See what other customers are saying about their experiences, especially regarding security and transactions. Look for security badges from trusted organizations like Norton, McAfee, or Trustwave. These badges indicate that the website has been verified and meets certain security standards. Regularly check your credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions. If you spot something suspicious, report it to your bank or credit card company immediately. Use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible for an extra layer of security.